This is our 2018 XLR Boost and just some modifications we did to it. First one is a solid step. If you don't have this, definitely get it. It's definitely worth it. It's awesome. It's just like a regular steps going in. Real simple. Some other modifications. We did the screen patio doors, homemade myself. You can see the link below. It's really dark in here when that's shut. Added some lights on. Ordered these from the XLRBoost site. Added 2. It's wired, just tap right into this motor over here. When this bunk comes down, this wire extends right here. That wire just extends. Can't even tell it's there. And we actually put in a fireplace. Let me turn that on real quick. It's got a remote. Pumps out some pretty good heat too. It's not bad. Plus it looks nice. Use it all the time for heat. And we'll go into here. That was pretty easy. Just use the wiring from the TV. It's real simple. And last thing we added was a TV in the bedroom. If you're looking for a backing board behind it, good luck. Mine didn't have one. Make other modifications. And ran it up some wiring channel. Also, we keep our table in the bedroom. Just put little hooks right under the bed there. I don't know if you can see them or not. And it holds the table down. And that's about it. We did add this futon here. It also makes another bed. Got it from Walmart. It's like $68 or something. We just flip it over and strap it down. We have the ATVs in here. Obviously it doesn't come with us. Mostly sitting outside then anyway. Yeah, there it is. If you have any questions, let me know. It's our 2018 XLR Boost 27QB. Thanks. Bye.